If you actually want to succeed here on YouTube, then you have to take it very serious. If you really want to get monetized on YouTube this year 2026, then you need to wake up and take these 3 strategies I'm about to share into this video very seriously. I mean, this 3 strategy will take your channel from 0 to 100. You're going to be seeing the results immediately. I mean, guys, if you really want to see drastic results on your YouTube growth, on your performance growth, on your audience growth, then you need to watch this video to the end, because in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 3 basic strategies you must put in place if you actually want to grow and succeed here on YouTube. So this strategy, I'm not just going to be speaking about it, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step guide on how to apply it, so it's going to be very easy for you to understand. So guys, my name is Chioma and this is Learn with Chioma. On this channel I speak about YouTube growth, help new YouTubers do YouTube the right way, get monetized even faster than you ever think. I mean, all the good things here on YouTube, you're going to be achieving it once you follow the step-by-step guide of all the things I speak about here on my channel. I mean, guys, so if this channel is what you are actually looking for, kindly please hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, so that anytime I upload new videos here on this channel, you always get notified to watch my videos. Guys, on this channel I really speak the truth and nothing but the truth, so which my subscribers actually have been testifying. So please stick to this channel, because I have a lot of value to unfold to you. So guys, please, I would also like to appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you for always watching my videos, and thank you for all your comments. I see you all. Thank you very much. Without further ado, guys, please let's dive right into the video as I share the screen recording on how you can apply these 3 strategies I'm about to share with you. Thank you, and let's move to the next clip. So guys, the first strategy is utilizing YouTube Shorts. So I'm trying to add up the video I'm trying to upload on my Shorts. So now this is the video I selected, and I'm going to be tagging it best way to do YouTube, best way of doing YouTube rather. So you're capturing a topic which is not really compulsory, but I advise that you target a topic so that it will help viewers to know the summary of what that short video is all about. So right now, allow it and then set it up. Put your topic, best way of doing YouTube. I'm still going to repeat the same topic on this video short title. So, and pick hashtags as well that is related to the video. So I'll set is not, so look at this arrow, related video. So you are going to be linking this short to any video you would like to push, and it will help drag visibility to that particular video and push your long form video. I'll always advise, stop doing YouTube collab shorts, rather use short this way to get positive results on your long form videos. So right now I'm going to be clicking on next. So it's uploading, so I'll allow it to load, and voila, then any audience that see this short, it will be linking them to my long form video. So the second strategy is trying to go live on your YouTube app. So watch what I'm doing on my screen. So I'm trying to title this live fun time. So I'm titling it fun time, then I'll pick no, this is not made for kids, and then I'll go live. So you can hold on, I'm already going live. Okay guys, so you can see the arrow pointing below. So here is different games you can be playing while you are already live. So what this strategy helps you is to help you gather more watch hours, guys. So it helps you to gather more watch hours while you're playing games as well on your live. So you can see I already have 1 like and 7 people already joined this live just within a few minutes of joining. So this particular game, which is World Wonder, I mean, my audience actually love this particular game. You can see 25 people had already joined and I have 2 likes. So it's very, very, very engaging. People love this particular game. It's just like a brain teaser, and also you're getting subscribers, you're getting, visibility, you're also building your watch hour. So I recommend this particular strategy to any YouTuber that is trying to build his or her watch hour on their channel. So this strategy will really help. You can see I already have 31 people watching this live and playing this game with me. You can see comments already popping up on the screen. So guys, I encourage you particularly use this strategy if you want to build your watch hour. It's very, very, very good. Strategy will really help you guys. It's a very, very good strategy. So the third strategy is going to your YouTube studio on your web browser by typing studio.youtube.com. I'm using my Brave browser. So this third strategy is utilizing the AI application on your YouTube app, which is Ask Studio, to ask YouTube any question. It's just like you asking your personalized YouTube customer care to assist you with any challenges on your channel, with anything whatsoever you want to improve on your channel. So this your personalized account or YouTube officer or customer care helps you to do YouTube the right way if you have any challenges. So here I'm asking the YouTube studio ask that how do I get monetized. So these are the response it gave me, and this is really very helpful. It helps to guide you and also know what content your audience are actually looking for, so you don't just keep uploading videos which are not necessary by your audience. So it helps you to be on check. It helps you to do the right thing at the right time, so that you get more visibility and subscribers to your channel. So guys, these are the 3 strategies I'm going to be advising us to apply on your channel, utilizing your YouTube shorts, your live game, and also your studio acts. Thank you very much for your time, and see you in my next video. Bye.